how you can make a dry cleaning request pickup with your favorite brand, all by using your voice. At this point, you should have received a link, probably in an email, maybe on Twitter, potentially on Facebook or Pinterest or any other social media platform that says, hey, go here and enable this application to start getting your dry cleaning picked up by your favorite brand. So I did that. I am sitting here now within the Amazon store, and it's showing me one of my favorite brands. Over on the right-hand side, there's this big yellow button that says Enable. That's all you've got to do to start your pickup request today. If I click on that Enable button, it passes that information along to the provider. It gives them our location, it gives them our address, it gives them our telephone number. Even if I've never been a customer with this provider before, it helps me get connected quickly. All that information now, every time I do a dry cleaning request, gets picked up by that provider. And to use the service, all I have to do is to say, open that particular skill from that provider with my voice, and then say, create pickup request. Or even you could say, create request. So you can use a bunch of words, but create pickup request will work. And there you go. You're instantly will receive a confirmation back to you with the details of that pickup request. And then that pickup request gets forwarded to your favorite provider. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.